Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre, this time for an update of tonight's weather conditions. Now our satellite loop shows that it's been a very settled day across South Africa. There have been thunder showers though along the far northern border of the country, particularly in the northwest and around some parts of Limpopo. A couple of small storms have also popped up around Lesotho and the Drakensberg region of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, the thunderstorms will continue into this evening over the far northern parts of the country, as well as around the Drakensberg, but many of these storms will dissipate around sunset. A mainly clear and dry night expected for the Western and Eastern Cape, although along the west coast of the country, cloud cover will be increasing as the night progresses. Now, that's going to eventually result in early fog along that western coastline, keeping things cooler as we head into the afternoon as well. Partly cloudy for the interior of the country, a few thunder showers developing for the Northern Cape, the Free State, and in particular for the Eastern Cape. Partly cloudy further eastwards, mainly dry weather for Limpopo and Mpumalanga as well as KZN. Now let's take a look at tonight's rainfall probabilities, and we're still expecting isolated storms for Mahikeng, the western bushveld of Limpopo, and there are those storms around the Drakensberg Mountains as well, and just a 20% chance around Uppington in the Northern Cape as well as along the border with Namibia. Cape Town tonight will reach an overnight low of 17 degrees, remaining mainly clear, winds up to 25 kilometers per hour. And tomorrow we'll see a little bit more cloud cover, keeping things cooler at 25. It may even be cloudy at first, and in the afternoon, wind speeds becoming fresh to strong at times. Taking a look at the wind stream animation now, and here we can see that overnight winds will be lighter along the west coast, but heading into tomorrow, the wind speeds will be increasing southerly to southeasterlies across that area. A low pressure system is going to move up the Eastern Cape coastline tomorrow, and behind it, southwesterly winds are going to be picking up, resulting in fresh to strong wind conditions for both Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Minimum temperatures now, and it's going to be a cool night for parts of the Highveld. Johannesburg drops down to 14 degrees, warm along the east coast, Richards Bay at 22, and we can expect a warm night as well for PE. 19 degrees will be your minimum. In the afternoon, you can expect a high of 24, a milder day across that area. 25 for Cape Town, as we've seen, while George will be especially cool at 22, while the central and northern parts will be hot, and a very hot day expected for some parts of KZN. 34 in Maritzburg and Richards Bay. A look ahead now to Wednesday, and we'll see thunder showers returning to Gauteng, hot in Pretoria at 32 degrees. And on Thursday, a little bit of drizzle will be possible for the mother city at 24, and those thunder showers will become scattered for Johannesburg and Pretoria.